Welcome to the Silo Mills community, right here in the quiet town of Godley, just outside Burleson, Cleburne, and Joshua. The 840-acre master-planned community is located just west of the Chisholm Trail Parkway on FM 917 in Johnson County. We're offering our classic series of homes at Silo Mills. Here we feature the Magnolia 2 and the Jasmine floor plans. The Magnolia can be built with up to 5 bedrooms on 2 levels with nearly 3,800 square feet. Enjoy gathering in the large family room, open concept kitchen, and there's a spacious primary suite with separate vanities and a large bathroom. The Jasmine is one of our single-story homes with up to 4 bedrooms and more than 2,000 square feet. Choose from 5 different exterior elevations with dozens of different stone and brick combinations. No builder includes more luxury standard features at the base price than Bloomfield Homes. Silo Mills is loaded with built-in amenities. Cool off in the resort-style swimming pool with splash area. There's an open-air pavilion with picnic areas, several parks, fishing ponds, as well as hiking and biking trails. When it comes to education, kids here in Silo Mills attend schools in the coveted Godley ISD, and Pleasant View Elementary is right here in the community. You're only 30 minutes from Fort Worth with the stockyards as well as the cultural district. Come visit any one of our models and find your dream home today.